Hi guys, so this is the case I bought for my iPad Pro 2021 11 inch. It's an Antbox. Yeah, so Antbox. I just found it on Amazon.ca, so I don't really know much about it. It just was rated pretty good. So I guess you could watch me put my iPad inside of it. Slide out the case, and here we go. Throw this on the ground. So yeah. Put it on the ground. So yeah. Open it up. So we got some like styrofoam, the silica gel, which says don't eat it. Put it on the ground. Looks like they gave us a free cleaning cloth. Let's put this aside. And here's the case. I guess on your angle. So I guess I'll stick the iPad in. So from your angle, grab my iPad, which is full of fingerprints. And we just like slide it in. Take some force, I'm just pushing it in, and here we have it. iPad's in the case. Camera is exposed. I noticed something, so we'll go here. Oops. From your angle, open it up. Take a pencil. There's a spot for the pencil right here. Snaps in, and yeah. Case. You can see the pencils right here, and yeah.